and welcome to our new workshop series where we provide industry advice to assist you in your job search. This week we'll be discussing job search tips for recent graduates. Before or immediately after graduating, try getting some practical work experience in your field of study. This experience can include work study, internships, or summer work experience as well. Gaining relevant work experience will set your resume apart from other candidates with little experience. Secondly, do some market research before your job search on rates, entry-level positions, and ideal industries for your field of interest. If you're a recent graduate looking for $80,000 a year, you may find it challenging to find a company offering that pay range to a graduate unless you are an engineer. Be flexible. When graduating from college, try not to expect a huge paycheck. Apply for positions that offer room for growth. Try finding a job that has the best cultural fit for you and focus on the opportunity rather than the money. Number 3, utilize LinkedIn. LinkedIn is the most professional social media platform for networking. Spend an hour or two creating and improving your LinkedIn profile by adding your resume, accomplishments, and more. Afterwards, make connections, interact with posts, and use them to search for job openings in your area. Over 90% of recruiters use LinkedIn as a source for candidates. So creating a LinkedIn profile can be essential to your job search. Lastly, prepare for your interviews. Rather than going into an interview with very little preparation, do your research on the company and the position that you're interviewing for. Prepare questions about the job opening and dress professionally. During your interview, try not to discuss salaries or benefits. If it's a virtual interview, make sure that your microphone and camera are working before the interview enters the meeting and that your background setting is presentable. We hope that these tips are helpful. If you're looking for work, please visit our website at citypersonnel.net, and to stay informed, follow our social media pages.